Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Microsoft Copilot in Word, quick fix step by step clearly. To use Microsoft Copilot in Word, begin by opening the Microsoft Word application on your device. Make sure you are signed in with your Microsoft account that has access to Copilot features. Next, create a new document or open an existing one where you would like to use Copilot. To activate Copilot, locate the Copilot icon typically found in the toolbar or ribbon. Click on the Copilot icon to open the sidebar. You will see a text input area where you can type your requests or commands. For example, you can ask Copilot to help generate a summary of your document. Simply type "Summarize this document" into the input area and hit enter. Copilot will quickly analyze your text and provide a concise summary in the sidebar. You can also use Copilot to create new content. Write an introduction about your topic to get a fresh paragraph. Feel free to modify or expand on the text suggested by Copilot as needed. If you need to add a table or a list, type "Create a table with specific details" in the input area. Copilot will draft a table based on your specifications. For formatting tasks, you can ask, "Change the font to Arial and the size to 12, and Copilot will apply those changes automatically. Remember, you can always refine your requests for more tailored assistance. Keep experimenting with different commands to discover Copilot's full potential. Once you've finished, review the document to make sure everything meets your needs. Finally, save your document to preserve the changes made with Copilot's assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.